Everyone, today we're diving into a fascinating topic: how older men can tell when a younger woman is waiting for you to make a move in an age gap relationship. A gig gap relationships are more common than ever before, but it can sometimes feel tricky to navigate the signals, especially if you're an older guy and she's younger. If you're wondering whether that younger woman is dropping hints and hoping for you to take the next step, this video is for you. So stay tuned as we break down 7 key signs that she's waiting for you to make your move. One of the most obvious signs that a younger woman is waiting for you to make a move is her consistent effort to spend time with you. Now, this doesn't just mean she's showing up where you are by coincidence. Oh no, we're talking about those small, deliberate actions. Does she invite you to hang out in casual settings like grabbing coffee or watching a movie? Or maybe she lingers longer after group gatherings. When you're around, this behavior shows that she enjoys your company and is hoping you'll take the hint to spend more one-on-one time together. And guess what? It's a huge green light. She's carving out space in her schedule for you, and it's her subtle way of saying, "I'm interested. Now what are you going to do about it next up?" Let's talk about personal conversations. When a young woman is waiting for you to make a move, she'll start asking deeper, more personal questions to get to know you better. Sure, anyone can engage in small talk. But if she's asking about your goals, your passions, or even your past relationships, she's trying to connect on a more meaningful level. These types of questions are her way of opening up the door for intimacy. She's showing interest in who you are, beyond surface-level appearances. So don't be afraid to reciprocate by sharing more of yourself. It's exactly what she's hoping for now. Let's get into one of the most powerful ways women communicate: body language. Sometimes a younger woman might feel a bit shy about making the first verbal move, but her body language will speak volumes. Look out for these subtle yet telling cues. She leans in closer when talking to you. She maintains strong eye contact and smiles often. She touches her hair or lightly brushes her hand against yours. All of these gestures indicate she's comfortable around you and attracted to you. If you're seeing these signs, it's likely that she's waiting for you to take the lead. But here's a tip. Make sure to read her body language in combination with other behaviors. One sign alone might not mean much, but if they're stacking up, it's time to make your move. Who doesn't love a good compliment? And guess what, gentlemen? If a younger woman is complimenting you, especially in ways that go beyond the usual, she's giving you a clear sign. She's into you. Pay attention to the types of compliment she gives. Is she commenting on how good you look in a suit? Or maybe she's telling you how much she admires your confidence and wisdom. These aren't just throwaway comments. They're designed to boost your confidence and let you know she's attracted to you. So if the compliments are flowing, it's likely she's waiting for you to take the next step. Let's not forget the modern-day battleground for flirting: social media. If she's frequently liking your posts, commenting on your photos, or sending you memes in your DMs, she's staying engaged with your life even when you're not face-to-face. Why? Because social media gives her an easy, low-pressure way to show interest and stay connected. If a younger woman is actively keeping up with you online, there's a good chance she's dropping hints, hoping you'll notice and respond. And if you haven't already, this might be a perfect opportunity to slide into her DMs and take that online connection into the real world. Here's a big one. If she's talking about future plans that involve you even in a casual way, she's definitely waiting for you to make a move. For example, she might say something like, "We should totally check out that new restaurant next week." Or, "Have you ever thought about going on a trip to Italy? We should go someday." These might sound like passing comments, but they actually an invitation for you to take action. She's imagining a future that includes you, and that's a major signal of interest. It's up to you to follow through and make those plans happen. Finally, let's talk about physical contact. If she's initiating touch, whether it's a gentle touch on your arm, a playful push, or even just standing closer than usual, she's likely trying to create a sense of closeness. Physical contact is often one of the biggest indicators that a younger woman is feeling comfortable with you and hoping for more. It's her way of breaking the touch barrier, and that's a big deal. Now it's important to gauge her comfort level and go at a pace that feels right. But if she's offering up these little moments of touch, it's a strong signal that she's waiting for you to make the next move. And there you have it, 7 key signs that a younger woman is waiting for you to make a move. Age gap relationships can be incredibly fulfilling, but it's all about recognizing the signals and responding with confidence. Remember, whether she's spending extra time with you, dropping compliments, or engaging with you online, these are always ways she's showing her interest and hoping you'll take the lead. So the next time you notice these signs, don't be afraid to make your move. She's likely been waiting for it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into age, gap relationships, dating tips, and much more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.